Hi everyone. Uh, in this video we will talk about a thread which could be in support area instead of star rating area, that after I installed and activated it, most of my widgets were removed from sidebars and left sidebar was raised to the default black background, so lots of time wasted. So let's see. uh, I've tested it already in another video, but that video w- just went beyond expected time, so I'm recording it again. I'm deactivating header images area, deleting, and I will install it again. And let's check widget's current position. Okay, and let's place calendar, header images, install. Div. Settings, header images. Right, so now we have this plugin activated. So let's see, is there any change in our sidebar after these two activities, installed and activated? If you see, there is no change. Now let's go to the site and we're going to implement. Oh, in fact, earlier I was using this plugin, so let's try for a new page, for example blog page. It's still having the same because let's go to jQuery Post Splitter Pro page. Let's change this image, the last page, because it's taking the default one. When there is no image, there is a default image. So jQuery Post Splitter Pro, we can upload an image from the plugins area. Like this one. Save changes, refresh. Right, so it is working separately. It has nothing to do with the sidebars or widgets. If you see here, this image is coming from this plugin, but there is no disturbance with the sidebar. It's not removing any widget. So instead of in star rating area, we could have this issue, this thread in our support part. Although this statement is a false statement, and I said thank you when I got this, but I didn't deny, I didn't refuse until I can check it. So now I have checked it and the statement is false. So I will surely link the recorded video here, so anybody who will read this statement, he can watch this video as well. Thank you so much. And even if you want to check the previous versions, that maybe this issue was in the previous versions, and now it has been fixed, so it that can be checked, and you can download the version whichever you want. I mean, this plugin has nothing to do with sidebars and widgets. Whatever happened to this guy, maybe he was in hurry, and in hurry he did something like that, and recently this plugin was installed and activated by him, so he maybe thought that this plugin did these all stuff, although this plugin cannot work without a short code, and if you will remove this short code from your header area, it will not simply work. So it has nothing to do with any sidebar area or widgets, and maybe he mistakenly pasted it inside sidebar area, and sidebar was having something already opened, like tag open, and before closing he pasted somewhere there, which was a wrong position. You should paste it before header, inside header, maybe inside content, but be careful wherever you will paste this shortcode, which you will find it in how it works area, this one. So be careful that paste it where you want this image to be, this image, right? Because if you will paste it inside or before closing or after opening of the sidebar area, it can disturb your layout, obviously. So it will be your mistake. uh, Obviously it's not a bug of this plugin. Wherever you will paste this shortcode, it will start working there. Thank you so much.